So you've got a digital product idea, but there's a voice in your head saying, will anyone actually buy this? What if I create it and it totally flops? If that's you, then this video is going to help. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple way to test your idea before you spend any hours creating it. And I'll show you how to use EverBee, my favorite Etsy research tool, to do it. So let's check to see if your idea has real demand so you can move forward with clarity and confidence. Now, I'm all for following your passion, but when you're building a business, you also need to follow the data because you can create the most beautiful product in the world, but if no one is searching for it, you are going to hear crickets. I wish it wasn't true, but unfortunately it is. And that's why today's task is all about testing your idea before you even commit. This is part of my profitable digital product formula, which is a mix between your passion, your skills, and a real proven demand. Because when you've got all three, you have got momentum. So for example, let's say that you are thinking of creating a mindset journal, or perhaps a homeschool tracker, or maybe a crochet pattern. So here's how to check if there is already demand. So search your idea on Etsy using a broad term like digital journal or printable flashcards, if that's what you want to create, or any keyword that describes the product that you would like to design and sell. You'll go ahead and open up the Etsy search using your EverBee Chrome extension, and you want to check things like how many monthly sales are in the top listings, how many sales are they getting, what keywords are they using consistently through their listings. You want to think of things and look for the price points. So what kind of price points are these products selling for? And which products are standing out? But here's the key. Instead of just copying what's already out there, you want to find your angle. So you want to use what's already currently on Etsy as inspiration and then use your own creativity and experience to make something truly unique. That's where you stand out, and that's where your heart-led business really begins. Okay, so here is your task for today. I want you to go ahead and pick one idea that you are considering. This idea may have been sparked from my last video. Then I want you to go ahead and search it on Etsy using your EverBee extension. Now, if you don't have EverBee, a simple Etsy search and then just looking for bestseller or popular products, that should be fine. And then I want you to go ahead and write down what is already working when you are doing these search. So what is actually selling at the moment? What could you do differently? And how can your experience or story might shape this product? Even if you're still figuring things out, this one activity can give you so much clarity. And if you're planning to join my challenge, this will give you the perfect head start. So if this video helped you feel more clear and confident, I would love to invite you into my free Start with Heart challenge. Like I mentioned, it's a free 5-day experience where I'll help you turn your research and ideas into a product that's not only sellable, but aligned with you. We'll map out your idea, design it together, and then get it Etsy ready. And if you happen to watch this video after the challenge has gone live, not to worry, just go ahead and click in the description box below, the link in the description box, and you'll either catch the replay or go ahead and join me in the next round. Okay, my friends, so that brings us to the end of the video, but feel free to let me know in the comments. What product idea did you end up researching today? Did anything surprising come up when you did your research? I would love to hear all about it and know where you're at to help you brainstorm. Okay, I will catch you in the next video or inside of the challenge. Okay, bye for now.